Hello guys, I am Manju Sharma. In this video, we will study the introduction of seeds and the structure of monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous seeds. So, firstly, what is seed? A seed is a small embryonic plant enclosed in a covering called as seed coat, usually with some reserve food. It is a ripened ovule of the angiosperm which occur after fertilization and some growth within the mother plant, or it can be described as a fertilized ovule. Now, the types of seeds. On the basis of the presence of cotyledons, the seeds can be divided into two types. First one is monocotyledonous seeds and second one is dicotyledonous seeds. Now, we will study about the structure of monocotyledonous seeds. The monocotyledon seed has the following parts. These are the seed coat, endosperm, aileron layer, embryo, scutellum, embryonal axis, and coleoptile and coleorhiza. Now, what are these parts? First one is seed coat. The seed coat are the protective covering of seed that is usually hard, thick, and brownish in color. The seed coat protects the seed from physical and mechanical damage and also prevents the excessive loss of water from seeds. The second one is endosperm. It is a tissue rich in oil, starch, and protein. It functions as the storage of reserve food that provide nourishment to the developing plant. The third one is aileron layer. The outer covering of endosperm that separates the embryo by a proteinaceous layer. This layer is known as aileron layer. Now the fourth one is embryo. The embryo is a small and situated in a groove of endosperm. The next one is scutellum. The scutellum is the one large shield-shaped cotyledons. The sixth one is embryonal axis. This is known as embryonal axis. The plumule and the radicle are the two ends of this embryonal axis. The last one is coleoptile and coleorhiza. The plumule and radicle are enclosed in a sheath. The sheath which encloses the plumule is known as coleoptile, and other which encloses the radicle is known as coleorhiza. Now, the structure of dicotyledonous seed. The dicotyledonous seeds has the following parts. The first one is the seed coat. As we study in the monocotyledonous seed, this is the outer covering of the seed. But in dicotyledonous seed coat, the seed coat has two layers. First one is testa and second is tegmen. The testa is the thick outer layer of the seed and tegmen is the inner delicate layer of the seed. The next part is the hilum. The hilum is the scar on the seed coat through which the developing seed was attached to the fruit. The next part is the micropyle. It is a small pore opening present above the hilum. Now, the fourth is the embryo. It is young plant developing inside the seed coat. It consists of an embryonal axis and two cotyledons. Now, what are the cotyledons? They are leaves of embryo which provide nourishment to the developing plant. Next is the radicle and plumule. The radicle is the lowermost part of the embryonal axis. It develops into the root after development, and the plumule is the upper part of the embryonal axis and develop into the shoot. The last one is endosperm. The endosperm is the nourishing tissue which provide nourishment to the developing embryo. In the next video, we will study about the fruit. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching my video.